Time to assemble the fireplace. So what you've got is a range of items here. I'm just going to basically lay them out so that you can see where they end up. So these pieces will sit on top here, and these half moons will top and tail there. And then this is the base for the fireplace, and this is the back for the fireplace, this mirror texture here. So to start off with, I'm going to stick this on the back, and I'm going to use Pritt stick for this, totally reliable, on MDF and paper, joining, making sure it's really tight around here. You are going to make a hole in this paper later on if you want to have light going through, but for the moment place it so it's based down at the moment, and use anything to push that down. Lovely. So there's our marble finish. And now I'm going to add some glue, a line of glue in fact, along each of the pillars. So I'm just going to hold it down there, line, and then the same here, line of glue, and maybe a little bit extra at the end. And then I'm going to do this backwards because I'm working from a very strange angle to film this. I'm putting on a half circle, semicircle, and placing this in the middle as carefully in the middle as possible, and I'm going to put my finger there to push this back, and then placing this here on the base. There we go. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. Pushing that glue in and on. Placing this pillar firmly in the middle, so it keeps me with the pattern. And this base piece here, there's a little bit of play for you, for those who need a bit of play. And then these are going to be stuck directly on here. So I'm going to use the wood glue again to run an edge along the middle of each side, and I'm going to place these on top in the middle. And again, the glue can be sanded down, sanded off, so don't worry too much about it. You can in fact sand it down, scrape it off, and paint over it, such as its effect. Okay, so I'm just pushing down on the fireplace there as well. And then you can, if you wish to, end up gluing the base here as well. I maybe should have decorated it. But this sticks on like so. And then the shelf, you can end up putting a dab of glue either end here, and make sure that that is lined up neatly and centered, and leave that to dry in place. Again, these mats are brilliant because once the glue is dried, it does literally peel off the mat itself. So that is the fireplace.